Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. In this video, we will discuss the chapter the straight line of 3B exercise, second section, first problem. Problem is, in what follows, P denotes the distance of the straight line from the origin and alpha denotes the angle made by the normal ray drawn from the origin to the straight line with OX measured in the anti-clockwise sense. Find the equations of the straight lines with the following values of P and alpha. In this, we have 6 problems. First, P equal to 5, alpha equal to 60 degrees. Second, P equal to 6, alpha equal to 150 degrees. Third, P equal to 1, alpha equal to 7 pi by 4. Fourth, P equal to 4, alpha equal to 90 degrees. Fifth, P equal to 0, alpha equal to 0. And finally, 6, P equal to 2 root 2, alpha equal to 5 pi by 4. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given the P and alpha values. Then by using these values, we will find the straight line equation. That means by using P and alpha values, the equation of straight line is in normal form. In all 6 sub-problems, we will find straight line equations in normal form. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. First problem. Given that P equal to 5, alpha equal to 60 degrees, then the equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. Here we substitute P comma alpha values, then the above equation becomes x cos 60 degrees plus y sin 60 degrees equal to 5. Here substitute cos 60 and sin 60 values, then x into 1 by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2, that is equal to 5. Taking 2 as LCM, then x plus root 3y by 2 equal to 5. Here take cross multiplication, then x plus root 3y equal to 10. Taking all values in one side, then x plus root 3y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x plus root 3y minus 10 equal to 0. This is first problem solution. In this second problem, given that P equal to 6, alpha equal to 150 degrees. The equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. Here also we substitute alpha comma P values, then x cos 150 degrees plus y sin 150 degrees equal to 6. Here we don't know directly cos 150 and sin 150 values, then we split these values into 90 plus theta form. Then x cos 90 plus 60 degrees plus y sin 90 plus 60 degrees equal to 6. Here we know cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta and sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Then x into minus sin 60 degrees plus y into cos 60 degrees equal to 6. Here we substitute sin 60 and cos 60 values, then minus x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 equal to 6. Taking 2 as LCM, then minus root 3x plus y by 2 equal to 6. Taking cross multiplication, then we have minus root 3x plus y equal to 12. Taking all values in one side, then minus root 3x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. Here in the above equation, we take minus as common, then root 3x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is root 3x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. This is second problem solution. Third, given that P equal to 1, alpha equal to 7 pi by 4. The equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here also we substitute alpha comma p values, then x cos 7 pi by 4 plus y sin 7 pi by 4 equal to 1. Here we have to given the angle in radian form, then we convert it into degrees. Then x cos 315 degrees plus y sin 315 degrees equal to 1. Here directly we don't know cos 315 degrees and sin 315 degrees. Then these angle is split into 270 plus theta form. Then x cos 270 plus 45 degrees plus y sin 270 degrees plus 45 degrees equal to 1. Then cos 270 plus theta equal to sin theta, and sin 270 plus theta is minus cos theta. Then x sin 45 degrees plus y into minus cos 45 degrees equal to 1. Here we substitute sin 45 degrees and cos 45 degrees values, then x into 1 by root 2 minus y into 1 by root 2 equal to 1. Here we take root 2 as LCM, then x minus y by root 2 equal to 1. Taking cross multiplication, then x minus y equal to root 2. Taking all values in one side, then the above equation becomes x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x minus y minus root 2 equal to 0. This is the solution of third problem. Fourth, given that p equal to 4, alpha equal to 90 degrees. The equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here also we substitute alpha comma p values, then x cos 90 degrees plus y sin 90 degrees equal to 4. Here substitute cos 90 and sin 90 degrees values, then x into 0 plus y into 1 equal to 4. After simplification, 0 plus y equal to 4, then y equal to 4. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is y equal to 4. This is the solution of fourth problem. Fifth, given that p equal to 0 and alpha equal to 0, the equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here also we substitute alpha and p values, then x cos 0 degrees plus y sin 0 degrees equal to 0. Here we substitute cos 0 and sin 0 values, then x into 1 plus y into 0 equal to 0. Then after simplification, x plus 0 equal to 0, then x equal to 0. This is the required straight line equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x equal to 0. This is the solution of fifth problem. Sixth, given that p equal to 2 root 2 and alpha equal to 5 pi by 4, the equation of straight line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here we substitute alpha comma p values, then x cos 5 pi by 4 plus y sin 5 pi by 4 equal to 2 root 2. Here angle is given in radian form, then it convert into degrees form. Then x cos 225 degrees plus y sin 225 degrees equal to 2 root 2. Here directly we don't know sin 225 degrees and cos 225 degrees. Then this angle is split into 270 minus theta form. Then x cos 270 degrees minus 45 degrees plus y sin 270 degrees minus 45 degrees equal to 2 root 2. We know cos 270 minus theta equal to minus sin theta, and sin 270 minus theta is also minus cos theta. Then x into minus sin 45 degrees plus y into minus cos 45 degrees equal to 2 root 2. Here we substitute sin 45 degrees and cos 45 degrees values, then minus x into 1 by root 2 minus y into 1 by root 2 equal to 2 root 2. Here take root 2 as LCM, then minus x minus y by root 2 equal to 2 root 2. Taking cross multiplication, then minus x minus y equal to 2 root 2 into 2. After simplification, minus x minus y equal to 4. Taking all values in one side, then minus x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Then taking minus as common, then x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the solution of sixth problem. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.